Okay. Does everyone see me? Cool. To begin, the Taylor contest had one of the problems I can't even solve. So one of the problems included the Pigeonhole Principle. If you heard of that, it's a very famous principle in mathematics where the story goes, a man has n pigeon pins, like pens where like they put pigeons, I guess. There's like boxes, just n boxes, right? And the case is, if you have n plus 1 pigeons, that means, and every pigeon goes in one box, that means there has to be one box with more than one pigeon. That is the Pigeonhole Principle. I'll search it. Here, it's the story. And there must be at least one container, but yeah. Let me close my door real quick. Essentially, I have a list of, if you've seen my recordings, you'll see that I have a nice little folder called Awesome Problems. And one of them, it says Pigeonhole. This is the problem I came across about this 2 months ago, and I was stuck on this problem and I wasn't able to solve it. But the solution is pretty genius. I don't think y'all will get it, but it's pretty awesome. I purposely put it there because if someone was able to solve it, oh my god, they would be an absolute genius. But we're gonna start from back there. Happy birthday! Definitely no one was able to solve it. Which one? How long? Oh, C. Okay, C. We will check that out then. I think Crystal, I'm very proud of you for that. But yeah, I guess we'll start. So we're gonna go on Replit because just why not? I hate Replit, but my computer is so slow that it cannot handle IntelliJ. We're gonna call this Taylor. Is everything okay? I'm not lagging too hard. Oh, great. I'm not lagging. So let's get my 2 public class import java.util.star. Let's get my imports in. I'm also going to import IO because I think they had some good stuff just in case. Or maybe import java.math as well. This is just other stuff. Let's start with hello world. Okay. Oh. I think this will do it. I'm not even gonna check. I'm so confident. Did I have to put the exclamation point? Yeah, I did. This is wrong. I'm gonna literally smack my. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Starting off with a great start. Everything else fix out. Syntax error. Okay. Starting out with a great start. That should have been easy. The quality of life is just a year. Okay, so I purposely put this because it's super long rating. Quality of life can be quantified by a number 0 through 1. If someone is living with perfect health, the quality of life is 1. If someone is dead, the quality of life is 0. The quality of life may increase or decrease due to medical treatment, sickness, etc. The quality for each period. Quality adjusted life here. Okay. in which the quality of life is a constant is simply a product of the quality of life and the lengthened period. Okay. I'm guessing if you multiply these two and that add them all up, you'll get that. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna have to use printf for this. Give an n. I hate coding. Why is that so annoying? Double answer. Anything wrong? Percentage, it's like 0.3f. So if you don't know, in order to round decimals to the thousandth place, you have to use printf. I'm guessing there's other ways to do it, but the best way is printf. Yeah. This decimal, I'll explain it if I get it right. Let me just check. Come on. Gimme. There we go. So basically, in order to get 3 decimal places, all you have to do is do printf, percent sign. So whenever there's a percent sign, you usually have a variable right after. .3, so 3.3 meaning 3 decimals, and f meaning float. So float is usually anything with a decimal. If I had 2 variables I wanted to print out, I could put another percent sign and say like, and this percent sign would go to this variable, and this percent sign would go to this variable. It goes chronologically. One thing you'll also notice is that if I put 0.4, I'm going to have 4 decimals. And here, this could be any double. I can replace this with anything. It's just that it will this refers to this, and this refers to this. Right? It's just imagine every time you see a percent sign, just like a variable or something you can substitute with, and then everything else is just like a normal string. I can put David is cool, and it will do that. Like that. Let's see. So it's just like your normal print statement. It's just every time you use a percent sign, there's some rules to it, and if you want to make a decimal rounded, you just do .3 and then a letter signifying the data type. So if I want to do integer, I can use I. If I wanted to use char, I can use C. I don't remember all the letters, so, but I know that usually with printf you use decimals, so it's usually F. Okay, next problem. Multiplication 2. Oh, was this the one that everyone got wrong? Rank. Yes, it was. Okay. So. Okay. We may have to use big integer. Let me code this out first, as I always do. What else can we do? Oh, yes, we have to get each variable. So I may have to convert this to strings. Oh, dot and why is this capital? And equals to and dot multiply new big integer sc dot next, and I may want to do this. If s dot equals so as soon as we encounter 0, we already know it's going to be 0. This is with s. If hands dot compare to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have to make this a big integer. Works. Everything recording. Good. Should be 0. What the hell? What did I do wrong? Why is it 0? I'm guessing all of these is greater. I see. That's what I have to do. I hate Replit. I don't know why they don't do typecasting in Java. It's kind of stupid. There we go. Should not be that. Here's 1. And finally, that. Okay. Things haven't submitted. Let's see what we got here. Cool. Okay, so probably the biggest reason, let's see why people got this wrong. I think I can see other people's submissions. Let's see. Jiwoo, what did you do wrong? Parse long. Ugh. Ew. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Okay. Let's see what left click. I think that is Kevin. Long. Ugh. Cringe. Okay. So. The issue here is that long, it's 64-bit. It is dangerously close to 10 to the 18th. And if we were to get multiplication and multiply it over it, we would get integer overflow. And even if most of the time, if you do integer overflow, it's going to be negative, sometimes it's going to be positive. It's just weird. So in order to do that, you'll need a 128-bit integer. 128, yes, 2 times 64. And that can be, in Java, used with big integer. In C++, we have int 128. I never use it because it's also ridiculously slow. But in terms of this, it doesn't matter. Big integer is a class in Java. I think it's in Java.math actually. But the purpose is it uses strings. It basically acts like a string, or your number is the string. So basically your number can be very big. In this case, I check whether, instead of taking it as int, I take it as a string. And then big integer has this cool function called .multiply, which multiplies a new integer. And I just plug in the string that is associated with the number, multiply to answer, and yeah. And then this is 18 zeros. I do a compare to, so it will, this compare to will return 1 if it's greater. And if it's greater, that means I already know it's bigger, so -1. And yeah, that's kind of how to do it. Basically, the solution is use big integer. You can search up big integer online, but the main idea is it has like multiple functions. You have .add, .multiply. And they're all related with strings. You just treat a string as an integer, and yeah, it just does the math for you. But yeah, you'll probably use big integer a lot in UIL. I don't, because I hate Java. Or not hate it, I just don't use it a lot. Let's see, next one, D. Small. Oh, okay. A lot of these problems I didn't do, so should I move backwards? Seems like a lot of people got F. Let's do F. Oh. Oh. This is kind of easy. Yeah. Begin index, end index. Actually, I can just do char out. Ist and I think that was it. I think this is fine. Actually, no, I have a gut feeling it's wrong. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Cool. Here I just checked the last. We already know it either ends in or ist, and we already know that the different if we can already tell if it's different by the just last letter. So yeah, if it ends in t, that means we gotta know it's ist. If it doesn't, it's rdr. Pretty easy. Happy birthday, definitely leaving that for last. We'll do smell. We'll do smell. Okay. Slim blah, 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 was a first-generation computer built at London University. In operation from 1956 to 1970, it was based on the computer architecture developed by John von Neumann at the blah blah. No one cares. Oh shoot! I have the problem solved thing. Let me write. I've done how many? 4? Oh, I can't tell. 4. Let's move on. Wait, what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Oh, that doesn't count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10? Why is 13 here? 0, 3, 5, 8. Why is 13 here? 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, maybe it is 13. Alright, just check whether there's a smile. Wait, why did no one do this problem? Oh, yeah, some people got it. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I was like, bruh. It's pretty easy. Who got it? Yeah, it's pretty easy. Oh, dang. So... I need this actually. It's gonna happen anyways. Oh shit. Shit. There we go. Weird. Replit is so slow. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. The time never seems so good. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. Good times never seem so good. That's weird, it didn't count 8. Did I not get out of bounds? That's so weird. Good times never seem so good. I swear I probably would have got that wrong in a contest. I hate out of bounds. I did something weird. I accidentally copy pasted something. Good times never seem so good. Sweet I don't know what to do if there's like no output. Is it like -1? Cool. Here I just check the substring and whether it equals to all 4 desired outputs. And then I print out the index. It says it doesn't matter order, so. Yeah. Good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, bum, bum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Tim is absolutely an obsessive soda drinker. He simply cannot get enough. Most annoyingly, though, he never has any money, so his only obvious legal way to obtain more soda is to make money. That's when he recycled empty soda balls and new ones. In addition, the empty soda balls resulting from his own consumption, he sometimes finds them. One day he was extra thirsty and he actually drank sodas he couldn't afford. E represents the number of empty soda. Seems so good. This guy is weird. Why is it 4? So he actually drank sodas until he couldn't afford a new one. Bum, 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 sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. Sweet Caroline. Bum, 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 bum. Good times never seem sweet Caroline. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Good, oh, a good, oh, a good, oh, a good, sweet. What? Tim is an obsessive soda drinker. He simply cannot get enough. Most annoyingly, though, he never money. So his obvious legal way to obtain more soda is to take money he gets when he recycles them. He couldn't afford a new one. This guy's like a alcoholic, but for soda. Sodaholic. What the heck? Bum, 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 bum. Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Good, good, Okay, I have no idea what's going on. I'm gonna have to take a guess. This is a terribly written problem. I apologize. You don't even explain what's going on. Explain to me, how the hell did they get that? What? Okay. E equals the number of empty soda bottles in Tim's possession at the start of the day. Empty soda bottles are in the day. Number of empty soda bottles needed to buy a new soda? Oh, because when you buy a new soda, you get... Oh, I see. So when you buy more soda, you make more bottles. So... Oh, this may be harder than I thought. What was this? What was the difficulty for this? I purposely put it like really low, 1.5. Okay, I think I know what's gonna go on. Bum, bum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. Good times never seemed so good. Good, 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 good. Oh, sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. Good times never seemed so good. Good. God, 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 God. I'm just chilling, bro. I'm just chilling. So when you drink or buy more bottles, you create more empty bottles that you can hold. So I'm gonna eight. It's 9. Oh, what did I do wrong? Da, 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 da. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. Good times never seem so good, good, good. Yeah, always gotta listen to a good tune and then you'll get there. Oh, reaching out, holding hands. I don't remember the rest. Touching you, sweet Caroline. I'm just jamming out. Okay, so let me explain what's going on here. Okay, I think there's a reason why they don't explain in the samples, because then it would be too easy. First things first, when you drink bottles, right, when you're buying bottles, so it starts off at the day, right, and he has 9 empty bottles. So he decides he buys 3 bottles each, or 3, yeah, it costs 3 bottles, 3 empty bottles to buy 3 more bottles. So when he drinks those bottles, right, they become empty bottles, and now they add to this number. So our current total starts at, so we have 9 empty bottles, and then he sells them all, and he gets 3 new bottles. Okay, and then he drinks them all, and now he has 3 empty bottles, and so he can trade in those 3 bottles again so he can get another bottle for that 4th bottle that he can drink, and then he'll only have 1 empty bottle. That makes sense. For here, he has 5 lying on the ground, so he finds, he has 10. Then he buys 5 new bottles with those 10 empty bottles, and so 5. Drinks all of them, so his answer is now 5. And then he also now has 5 empty bottles, and so he trades 4 of them for 2 bottles. Right, drinks those 2 bottles, now he has 7. And so now he has 3 empty bottles, and then he can trade in one of them for another new bottle, and that'll be 8, and then trade another one for 9. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I had to think about that one. I'm also going to have to think about happy birthday, because that one was hard. Oh shoot! Doesn't this require lower bound upper? I may have to search that one up because I know I'm doing C++, but not in Java. Oh wait, let me just update. Touching you, sweet Caroline. Bum bum bum. Okay. There's a circular pond with a perimeter of k meters. Okay. And houses around them. The ith house is built at a distance of ai measured in the northwest pond, measured clockwise. Okay. Okay. You could only go around the pond. Find the minimum distance we need to travel. One has it been rated all and touching you. Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. But input. What is K? What the hell is K? I don't see K. Oh, K meters. It is really windy outside. 20 minus 3. All these are integers. Why would that be 10? Start from the second house and go to the first house, first and third house in this order. Oh, it's circular. Oh. Okay. 10 to the 6th. Okay. Ugh, I wish I had more sleep. And more lemonade. Let's do this, baby. Crank it out. Touching me. Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Boom, boom, boom. Good times never seem so good. I can't sing anymore because I have to concentrate and it's actually ruining my coding skills. Oh my god, I can't type. Bro, please, I can't type for my life. Okay, you do have to sort here. Touching me and dirty. Yeah. You ain't gotta tell me it really boiled out. What it really popped out, really popped out. Sweet Caroline. Bum ba dum bum. Good times never seem so good. Good. Okay. So ultimately, you have to go one way around the circle. So we're going to call this left. And we're going to say that left dot add math dot abs. Actually, it would be a dot get 0 plus k minus a dot get a dot size minus 1. So this is that circle thing where he goes all around the circle. Okay, I think it's a lowercase k, lowercase k. We're also gonna make right. And we're gonna add right. Yeah, it's the same distance, yeah. This time I'm gonna add it to the very end. So, touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline, bum bum bum. Good times never seem so good. Good. Actually, you do not need to make an array list. Yeah, you don't need to make an array list. Wow. I think, yeah, you don't need to make an array list. So sad. Touching me, touching you. Sweet Carolina. Good times never seem so good. Good. A dot get I plus 1, also dot get I. Right. Let's see if we got it right. Oh, this is just 20. Oh, poop. Oh, you can start at any point. Yeah, you can start at any point. What's starting help though? What's starting help? Can I just like remove the maximum value? Because then I can choose where to go. Wait, essentially the left and right ones are the same. Kind of dumb. Yes. Actually, we will do this. I'm just going to call this max like this. I don't get any errors. So I guess what we can do here is I don't have to have this. I can just start off at 1. And then I can just say left is max. Oh, I call it mix. Mix. Cool. Another. Cool. I don't know if it's right. Shouldn't have submitted it. No, I did. I'm just a genius. So, when you imagine this, right, you're imagining kind of a circle, right? And turn this on. Going in a circle, the most optimal path is to go by the houses that have the closest distance, right? You are given the distance from the northernmost point. So it's kind of like clockwise. And essentially, you want to pair. The most optimal route is the one with 2 houses close to each other with no house in between. And so you go through all the houses, right? And you circle through it once, and then all you have to do is take out the largest distance between any house. And the reason this works is because that means when you go in a full circle, you're not like going all the way. You're gonna go to a part where you don't have to go between 2 houses. If that makes sense. Maybe I can draw it out, but my camera's kind of bad. I'll paint. Oh, my computer lag. It will lag. Yay. Love lag. Okay, so kind of imagine this. You're going in a circle, right? But in this problem, since you can choose where you start, you can go kind of like this. And there's going to be a little gap where you don't have to choose, because I'll start on this house and then I'll end on this house, and I don't need to go through this gap. So essentially, you just calculate everything in a circle except for one gap. And that gap, in order to make the minimal possible, is the smallest or the largest distance, or the one that takes the most time. So yeah, just imagine this and then calculate the largest gap. That's the problem. Cutting woods, I'll leave that later. Some more product pairs. Wait, I can do problem solve. So, how many problems did I do? I thought I put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What haven't I not done? Oh, okay, yeah, these 3 there. You should have left. Oh, I put 10. Sum of product pairs. You're given an array, I guess, and find the sum of all pairs. Oh, you just find the sum of products of all pairs mod this guy. Okay. Oh boy. I'm pretty sure. Let me think. Mathematically, would that work? Touching hands, touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline, bum, ba, dum, bum. Good times never seem so good. Sweet caramel. Bum, bum, bum. Good times never seemed so good. Yeah, this problem is actually kind of easy. I've done so many of these that it's just in my head now. But maybe I'm being cocky. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to cut this out. Good times never seemed so good. This is 10 to the 9 plus 7 right there. And that's a double because Java doesn't do that garbage where you can automatically cast it, but it doesn't because it's stupid. Sweet Caroline. Bum, bum, bum. This is stupid. Bum, bum, bum. Good times never seemed so good. Good. Good do 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 I have to make the array. I have to cast it to 8 because it is stupid. Stupido. I remember saying that a lot as a kid. Okay, so we take in an input. There's like orth because I have to cast it because it's stupid. I am starting to hate. I think that will work. You are stupid. And now I have to cast this guy because it is stupid. I can't do long. Why did I do that? So used to C++. I have to do this as well. And how am I doing? Stream? That's stream, 1 hour. There we go, baby. Baby. Please don't need your overflow. 437235829. I've done so many of these problems. I'm so good at them. This is just number theory. I'm surprised you didn't get this one. Yeah. Wow, no one got it. Oh, Ju tried. ETL lead. Oh yeah, you don't do a double for loop. That's cringe. Okay, I'll explain it. So you'll notice, first things first, my time complexity is really small. It's O of n. Jiwoo's was 2 for loops, so it was O of n squared, I'm guessing. I couldn't really tell. Maybe he did something cool. But it was O of n squared. And in the problem, bottom, you are 10 to the 5th, which is too slow, too slow, too slow. Remember, the magic number is 10 to the 8th, so if we square that and squared, you would get 4 times 10 to the power of 10, which is too much. So what I did was I noticed that like I'm just gonna imagine this is our array. Our solution is the sum of all pairs of products, right? So A1 times A2 plus A1 times A3, and then finally it's A2 times A3. And this is easy because what we can do is we can group these just like in algebra and just say A1 is A2 plus A3 plus A2, A3. You notice it's just, we can easily pre-compute this sum, and for a constant time instead of end time. So usually if you do a double for loop, you'll just multiply all the numbers. That's too slow. What we can do here is we can just sum these as we're going along. So what I did was I went backwards. I started from here, and I knew that for the second to last number, the only number that it has to multiply is the very last number. So that's why it's n-2. And then we mod every addition, every multiplication, you gotta mod. It's just the rules. You have to modulus it by 10 to the 9th. It's just, you have to, or else it's gonna mess up and get integer overflow. And so you'll notice as I go backwards, I add to my total sum. So as I go backwards, in this case, I add a plus 2, and this will be here. And then backwards, 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 and then I simply just multiply my total times this number. So, and remember, always mod, always mod. I put it for long because I don't want to get integer overflow, just in case mod didn't prevent that, but you should be fine. So yeah, sum product pairs. That took like 2 seconds. Okay, finally for the fun ones. First things first, I need to search up how to do lower bound. This is the problem I've actually done before. I've only done like 2 problems here. Lower and upper bound set. Sure, medium. Never really liked medium, but it'll have to do. Is there an upper bound function? Is there not a built-in function? What the heck? Is there not a built-in function for tree set or hash set? Is there upper? What? Wait, it just doesn't give it to you? You don't have it? What the hell? Ah, this is stupid. Do you have to code it out every time? Oh, that's stupid. Oh, lower key. Lower key, lower key. Is it tree set? Geeks for Geeks is always good. It's just really slow. What are we doing? Again? It's lagging a little bit. Okay, cool. Lower. Lower is good. Lower is good. Yes. It will return the value. It won't return the index, which really does suck. Encoder overloaded. Encoder overloaded. Alright. Oh, okay. So this is one of the problems I did solve. Or this was a problem I did in a contest. It was a very long time ago. We have a long piece of timber with a length of L meters. For each 1, 2, ... there's a mark called mark exit. Cut the mark into 2. Choose a mark. Choose a piece with a mark X and print out its length. Guarantee that there is no cut at mark X when no query is processed. Okay. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. I may use pair. How do I use pair? Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. I may need to reference the Usico guide. I forgot to do it. I don't use Java. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. I think I can do integer, right? I don't really want to do long anymore. Yeah, I don't feel like doing long. If that's gonna bite me in the butt, I'm gonna literally punch my computer. Pair. Oh, shoot. There we go. Worship on the door. Q. Okay. Oh no, should be that. So C is going to be our choice. Alright, so C is 1. That means we cut up the board at that piece. Right now I'm going to add. Yeah. Here, I have a constructor, right? Yeah, it's just that. Okay, cool. All I long for in the night, fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You're all that I long for, all I worship and adore. I'm pretty sure this would work. Pair cannot be resolved as a variable. Oh, it's new pair, new pair, new pair, new pair. New pair. Should be parameterized. Yeah, whatever, screw you. Blah, 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 blah. If TS dot lower works just like all I worship and adore. It said that all the examples won't be cuts. Oh no. Cringe. Or feel my heart sing. Oh, do I need to compare to? Oh my god, I hate that. Everything is compared to undefined type for V. Screw it, we're doing integer. I think we're just gonna do that, and then can V will be integers. I hate how it's not adjustable, man. Oh, it's pair B. Oh, it's like this dot s. It's this dot s. Yeah. Yeah. So it's just gonna be pair now. Take that out. It's not generic. Oh, it worked. Okay. I hate. It should be defined. Oh, I hate this. My Java knowledge is limiting me. Huh? Do they not mention upper? Let's do lower then. Shouldn't matter too much in this problem specifically. That's so stupid. What the heck, bro? Worship and adore. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I worship and adore. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. So I'm gonna do second value first. Oh, new pair. Not that. What the heck? Cast class Java dot comparable. my implement's comparable. Isn't this a thing? No? Okay, I guess not. I could have sworn there was something about it. Oh wait, they talked about quarter for compression. Damn. Comparator. There we go. Ugh, this is so much work for one problem. No, or instead of edge, I will use here. Should be A. Return 0 is never going to happen, but unreachable statement. Oh wait, I just text that. You don't have to do it. Huh. And I hate you. Add a tree set, a tree map. I wish I knew what I was doing. Ugh. Just code this in Java. How long has it been? Oof. Should I just code this in C++? This is just better. Much work too. I literally have it right here. It's just stupid tree set functions won't work. Should I put this before this code? Oh, could it be my parameter? It's not giving me an error message. It is not giving me an error message. 51 L line no pointer. Oh, it's not 5. It's poop. It's L. It's L. No pointer. Why is it no pointer? No. No pointer. Punta. Can I? You just print out for this for me? Thank God. Two string. Oh, I think I have to create my own two string. Oh, this is so much work for one problem. Time to sing Sweet Caroline. Bum bum bum. Good times never seem so good. Please don't give me no pointer exception. You suck. Me suck. Good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline. Dun dun dun. Never seems so good. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. I think you have to do this. All I worship and adore. Let's begin with me. Let's begin to see the tree. Comment that out and stop and do this all over again. What the heck is going on? I don't know what's going on. it's doing the same thing. It says 5 twice. I don't like that. I remove it. I remove it. I should have removed it. I didn't. Why has it not been removed? I don't want this. Add descending floor. Empty is your last lower pole. I'm trying to remove a specific element. That is P. All I worship and adore. Feel with song. Let me sing. You are all I long for. I worship and adore. See, that shouldn't be a thing. That should not be a thing. Should have removed you. Should print. It doesn't remove it? What? What do you mean? Oh, uh-oh. When to sing it, what do you mean? What if I just do this? Call to lower again. It says false. Okay, it is obviously in there. It's in my compare function. A dot f equals to b dot f and b dot s equals to a dot s. Return 0. It's in my dumb compare function. Let's go back to 3. Okay, my print stuff is all over the place, but it works now. 5322. 5322. Good. 1322. Very good. Good. And this is login time. Let's just do this one and submit it. 31. Oh shoot. 61. Is there more? Oh, okay. 38, 38, 6, 31, 69. I think it works, boys. I think it works, boys. Wow, that took me a while. I learned something new. I learned how to implement comparators in Java. Please tell me it works. If it doesn't work, I'm about to explode. Oh. So what I did was, TreeSet has this ability called upper and lower bound. I'll probably teach you this later, but yeah, I am starting to hit the 2-minute mark again, or 2-hour mark. So upper and lower bound, essentially, if you've done like statistics or know the upper bound and lower bound of something, sets, if you give it a value, you'll give an up, like sets are always sorted. So if I had an array of numbers, let's say like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or actually it'd be better if I just show it. So if I had a numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, or 7, 10, and I wanted to find, or if I like put in 9, right? The upper bound would be 10 and the lower bound would be 7. Now in computer science, upper bound and lower bound are a little bit different. If I had a 9 in there, this would be the lower bound and this would be the upper bound. If I didn't have a 9, the upper bound and lower bound are the same. So essentially, if lower bound is the number greatest, so lower bound is the element that is, it's the first element in the set that is greater than or equal to x. So x is your number. So in this case, x equals to 9. And then upper bound is an element exclusively greater. So it's just greater than x. That's the two things. And I utilize that to, instead of making this O of n squared time, I can make this O of log n time, because each query for upper and lower bound is log n time, because it's a set. There are other like trees that work inside the set, but we can talk about that later. If you have any questions about this, I can actually tell you in person. Otherwise, yeah, we don't need to talk about it. Okay, finally, the last problem. The very last problem. Happy birthday. Let's see my submissions just real quick. Just like, I think, yeah. Don't worry, I didn't solve this problem by myself. I had to like type all of it out. So if I don't know that, if I don't understand a problem, I usually type it out in my own kind of thing. Yeah, it's a mask. So it uses the Pigeonhole Principle. I don't even know if I want to do it. You're given a sequence of n positive integers. Determine whether a pair of sequences satisfies all the conditions. When n is unequal to a or third integer. Oh, yeah. Okay. Modulo 200. Now, this is a little odd because it's not a prime number, but it is very specific. That means it's a hint. Modulo. Yeah, this was Adcomer's 200th contest. So basically, your idea is to choose any amount of numbers, like a subset of numbers within this thing. Otherwise, check whether you're able to choose a subset of numbers that are modular. How many numbers going to be? 200. Oh, shit. I know a n2 in time. 1. My hair thinning? Holy smokes. It's very thin. Maybe it's just me. 200. Oh, I know there's only 200 possibilities. That leaves me with some way to exploit it. Maybe I can store an array that has 200 possibilities. Add this up. You can probably model with them. Right? Wait, is it even possible to get a no? To the power of 6 is only 64 different possibilities. 63 if you're not counting empty. Yeah, I think there's always a possibility. Let us exploit that. I don't think many people will pay attention to this. I do want to do it in Java so people can understand, I guess. We'll have some fun. Scare the freshmen. So we have, and I'm not going to explain this. I'm not. If you want to, you can ask me, but I'm not. Or, I mean, I'm not here. I will explain it to you in person if you are willing to listen. I wasn't able to solve this before, but this was like a very long time ago, and I almost forgot how to do it. But I think I remember a cool trick I learned here. So yeah, if you see a pair of subsequences, yeah. So I think you just go for it. Screw it. We start off at 1 because 0 is useless. Da 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 ya ya da 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 Can I do this though? How do you check bets in Java? I bet the use of code guide has something on this. Am I lagging a lot? Surprisingly not. It's in complete search. Do they ever do bits? Just search for it. Try bitwise operators. No. Search. here now? There we go. Oh, it's greater than 0. Boolean. Oh, I have to. That was weird. Can't do print that one anymore. Replace that with B. Dude, I never can get those. I always have to do that. Probably saying boy me. think this will work. Never mind. Ugh, cringe. I have to add one. Does it say I have to put? I don't think it specifies. Yeah, it's just upside down. Good. Seems fast enough. Job this takes a while. Wrong answer, really? Damn. Oh, so close. What am I missing? What could I possibly be missing? Can I have multiple numbers? Right. I can't have multiple numbers. Cringe. So I can't have repeated numbers. Let's see, submit. Come on, no wrong answer, no wrong answer, no wrong answer. Come on, come on. What do I do here? Whoa. Yeah, fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, let me see what spring is like on Jupiter, Mars. Let me sing a song with you where I've gone. Let me feel what spring is like on Jupiter, Mars. What the hell is wrong? This is my old code. I don't know what. I sum up. That's what I'm doing. There's no. I don't think this mattered. What I'm trying to figure out is why I'm still wrong. I think 8 is just the maximum number, right? It's the only like difference I see. Oh, 0? Oh, maybe an empty set did matter. Oh. Oh, wrong answer already. Oh wait, an empty set didn't matter. Or shouldn't be good. Ooh. What did I do wrong here? Actually don't know what I did wrong. Was it because the 8? Nani? Nani? The point is, there's thousands of different possibilities, and obviously with that means there's more space than the 20 houses we got. So we got like 2 to the n different pigeons, and there has to be a duplicate. But I don't know why I'm wrong. I don't know why I'm wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Bum, bum, ba, da, 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 da. Da, 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 yeah. I don't get why this is wrong. Please explain to me. I don't really know. But I know that it's apparent to you. Do not know what is wrong with my code. Why is it turned out 0? Oh, oh, that's probably why. If I do this, oh, I just forgot that. I swapped the 2, I did that, this should be right. I'm actually lucky that I got 12 in the first place. I think maybe I got TLE. I only need to check like first 8. Let's see. There's like guaranteed 1. Otherwise, if this is wrong, that means my search is wrong. Please don't give wrong answer. Oh. So that 8 really changed it, huh? I possibly got time limit? I don't know. It would have said time. And not 2 to the 8th. It's just enough. 2 to the 8th, I think. 2 to the 7th. What is 2 to the 7th? It's 128. And 2 to the 8th is 256, which is just above 200. And when you're above 200, that means we know that there's at least one guy with 2. Question is, wait, let me do some testing just to have fun. Is it because of it that I got those 2 wrong? Or is it because of Oh, I hate how long this is gonna take. Interesting. Okay, so it is because of that. Would it have taken too long? I don't understand. Oh, shit. I did not mean to cuss. 1 to the power of that would have been too big. Oh, that's why. Okay, I see. Very smart, very smart. Well, I solved all the problems. If I move, update, 41 hours, and confirm, I will be here. Ta-da! Yeah, I'm just better than everyone. No, I'm joking, but I work hard. I think happy birthday was a